The development of fully automated manufacturing systems dates to the latter half of the 20th century. Fast forward to today, and automation has drastically changed the look and feel of today's manufacturing environments. Automated processes are operating at a speed and level of reliability that could only be imagined in years past. With automated systems, there is still a need for high-intensity illumination for systems like conveyor lines, inspection lines, vision systems, and other traditional manufacturing methods. Waldmann Lighting has continually led the way in lighting these environments. We provide several products that answer the demands of today's current automated manufacturing systems. Let's have a look at some of those lights. Waldmann's newest LED surface-mounted light is designed for applications with automation in mind. The LINURA.edge is a 7-color RGB light, which makes it possible to display machine and process status. Its narrow profile and tilt radius of up to 60 degrees allows for accurate positioning of the fixture. With the latest LED technology, offering up to 170 lumens per watt, and a specialized lens to distribute the light to optimum effect, you can achieve the same level of lighting as before, but with a smaller feature profile. A strong aluminum profile adds durability to the fixture. Lengths from anywhere from 7 inches to 52 inches give you the ability to light any size machine. Let's have a look at the light.